Wish us luck. Bon appetit, freaks. We are here at the ATL Breakfast Club. Man, we've been trying to get here for weeks and weeks and weeks. But, you know, it's kind of hard to wake up real early on a Sunday morning. But we actually accomplished that this Sunday morning. And we got up at 5 a.m. just to be able to come here and check out the ATL Breakfast Club. Yes, like the lines are ridiculous. Anything after like 8 o'clock, you're going to be waiting a minimum of an hour, maybe 2 hours. So be prepared if you really want to come eat here, to be here early, to try it out early. You don't want to be here late whatsoever. Cause shoot, we got here at like 7:30 and it's pretty much packed already. There was people sitting outside. So luckily we came straight in and we about to try to enjoy this food. Our order is in and let's go. Do me a favor though, before the food come out, make sure you like it and you subscribe to it and you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with the videos that we are dropping every single Wednesday, 7 p.m. Eastern time. You gotta stay up to date with this, man. I'm telling you, we dropping some heat. We got a lot of videos coming out from all across the nation, international. We international now, baby. We shot a video outside the country. Plenty of videos outside the country. So make sure you stay tuned, man. Let's go. Let's get it. Yeah, you know what time it is. It's time to eat early morning breakfast. It couldn't be any more beautiful than this. So, which one should I pick? Which one should I dive into? I'm gonna try this one first. So this is the chicken and waffles, but it's the peach homemade waffle. And it kind of looked like a sandwich, so I'm trying to figure out, should I eat it like a sandwich? I think we're gonna ride with that. You know, I be trying to stuff everything in my mouth. Let's see how we're gonna be able to tackle this one. Look at this monstrosity, yo. You see this? It's like peaches falling out of it. It's dripping everywhere. So, I'm trying to see I'm trying to size it up, man. Cause it's like, oh my God, like, there's stuff all over it. Wow. I'm a savage. So the waffle is A1. It's real soft, not hard in the middle. The chicken is real tender. And the peaches, that's some good peaches. All right, we in Georgia, what do you expect? But those are some real good peaches. All right, I really like this. All right, you can tell it tastes good. I'm trying to think, do I need to take another bite before I move on? Nah. I want to see what these taste like. I think I'm gonna do the, that powdered sugar tastes different though. We're looking great. Thank you so much. So, I already know that the chicken is real good. So, this is basically a chicken biscuit with shrimps on the outside. And shrimp and there's a lot of flavor to it. So this is like a chicken biscuit. So it kind of got that Louisiana flavor to it, Cajun flavor. See that? So you know how I do. You seen that? So, on this sexy biscuit that we got here, we got a biscuit, of course, top, bottom. We got the egg in the middle. We got the chicken right here. And we got bacon in an X. And we got cheese in between there. On the outskirts of the biscuit, it was basically smothered with shrimp and turkey sausage gravy. And you could tell this is like a Louisiana kind of based place. I mean, Louisiana based restaurant, because this tastes like it and that does too. It has a lot of the Cajun flavoring in it. So it's really lit. I'm gonna take one more bite of this and then we're gonna get over it. But this is real good. So it looks like a lot of their dishes is based around their chicken. So they got some real good fried chicken. Really good. If you're one of those type of people who don't like messy sandwiches, you might not like this. Otherwise, it tastes good. It really does. If you can manage to keep it together, but it is really good. It's really good. I really want to take another bite, but I gotta move on to the lobster and grits. Moving along to the lobster. Fried lobster. Look at that golden crust. Isn't that awesome? We also got this shrimp and turkey sausage gravy that we could pour on it. Or even dip in it. So we got cheese grits, lobster, and a salad. It's the ranch dressing for the salad. So the grits are okay. They're just traditional grits. I was kind of expecting it to have that Louisiana Cajun flavor to it, but they're pretty much like just plain grits with cheese. But the lobster got so much flavoring to it that you might not even need that type of flavoring. So, you know I love lobster. I eat this stuff all the time. I told y'all this the winner right here. This whole thing is like a southern explosion in your mouth. The chicken is real southern fried. So even though it's peaches, it kind of tastes like sweet potato somewhere in there. So they did like some type of syrupy stuff on there. That holding it down over here, we all good? We good. I ain't gonna be able to eat all of this. I'm tapping out already. I took a vacation from eating, so my stomach done shrunk. You know, when you take a vacation from eating, you eating too good. Spent like 2 weeks on the road just eating. Eating. I do it for y'all, man. Bring y'all these hot spots. These diamonds in the rough. We right next to the aquarium, downtown Atlanta. In the middle of the block. I don't know if I can make it, man. I got a lot of food left. I'm already full. But I'm gonna tell you the order that these plates came in as far as what I like and what I didn't like. So we're gonna start from the bottom. I think the lobster and grits was number 3 on the list. Lobster was great. I like the lobster, but the grits, they just really didn't have too much flavor to it. It was just regular grits. If you like it, I love it. it just wasn't anything that was, you know, boom. So number 2 was the chicken biscuit. That was pretty much, it was pretty much decent. The only thing that I tasted different about that was it was just kind of salty. But if you're the type of person that likes the flavor, a lot of flavoring and stuff, that is most definitely for you. There's plenty of flavor in that dish. But number 1, I call it the Southern Explosion. Like, they got a nice soft Belgian waffle. They got the peaches with the awesome juices in it, and it wasn't dry. The chicken was good. Their chicken here is good, period. So if you order anything with chicken, you're gonna be hitting on something. What else on there? It even though it's peaches, it really tasted like sweet potato. Like, that was kind of weird, kind of different, but I really enjoyed it. Like, I could honestly say that that's the number 1 dish when you come in here. They have plenty of other things on the menu that may excite you. I stress that you should try it out. I might be back one day. It may not be anytime soon. Not for the fact that the food wasn't good, but because I got a whole lot of other places to go, baby. Whole lot. I gotta try out every restaurant in Atlanta, Georgia, so y'all know where y'all need to go and where you don't need to go. But this is most definitely a place that you need to go. So this place gets the certified, this place is Bon Appetit certified, period. Like, it's a nice environment, nice people, nice waiters. Yeah, it's a real good spot. I like it. It's ducked off in the cut, but it's right next to the Georgia Aquarium. You can't miss it. It's on the side of the street, right there. So, yeah, this is most definitely Bon Appetit certified, and y'all got to come check it out. ABC, Atlanta Breakfast Club. Gotta come check it out, but it's packed. So just the FYI, always make sure to pay attention to your bill, because sometimes, you know, people may overcharge you, or people may charge you some unnecessary things that you didn't have. That's just a FYI. There's nothing personal against this actual establishment. Sometimes it might just be the waiter or the waitress that's waiting your table, but you know, just always pay attention to your receipt, man. You never know if somebody's overcharging you or anything. Just a FYI. But make sure you do me a favor. Make sure if you like this video to like it. If you really love it, make sure you subscribe. And if you want to see more of this content, this beautiful food that I'm bringing you all the time, make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with the videos that are dropping every single week at 7 p.m. Make sure you stay tuned, man. Because, yeah, we in there.